I miss our days together.
All I miss from my time with you is the coffee.
It's true. My father's palace was a cruel place for a young boy far from home.
I think where Mehmet's, in my opinion, for me, playing him, where his pain comes from and the decision behind all his actions and the motivation behind that is from the dying days of his father. He shared his last dying thoughts and closest moment with Vlad, and I think that that's kind of pained him all his life.
I want to know what your father's last words truly were. He said, if only my coward of a son was dying instead of me.
When you're playing a character or a villain or someone who emanates evil, it's great and quite rare to have something to understand the backstory that much. When you're playing out at having that much power, it's not very good for your psyche or how you behave. You know, momentarily after you come out of those scenes, you're a slightly warped individual, I think.
Bless you.